Hi, this is Veena. I have a party tonight and I've decided to serve all healthy snacks. And the first thing that I'm going to make is sprouted Moong in canapes. So if you want to know what goes into making this, keep watching. Let's take a look at the ingredients that go into making sprouted Moong in canapes. I have 1 bowl of sprouted Moong, a little oil, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1-inch piece of ginger finely chopped, 6 to 8 curry leaves, half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seed, half teaspoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of red chili, quarter teaspoon of haldi or turmeric, salt to taste, a few drops of lemon juice, bale save and coriander leaves for garnish after we put the filling into these canapes. So let's get started on making the filling for the canapes. I'm now going to light the flame, place this kadai on the flame, add 2 tablespoons of oil in the heated kadai. I'm going to add the seasoning, which is half teaspoon of jeera seeds, ginger, green chilies and the curry leaves. Now that these are crackling and sauteed, I'm adding the chopped onions. And I'm going to stir it around till the onions get translucent. After which I will add the chopped tomatoes. I'm just going to mix around the tomatoes till they get soft. We don't need to overcook the filling because we want the Moong to taste a little crunchy when they are in the canapes and not soggy. I'm now going to put in the sprouted Moong. Half a teaspoon of dhania or coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, salt to taste, a few coriander leaves, and I'm going to mix this well and cover the kadai with a lid and allow it to cook for about 4 or 5 minutes. Sprouted Moong are ready. Yes, they seem to be done, and it's time now to add the lemon juice. The Moong is done and I'm just going to add a final touch with some coriander leaves, and it's ready to fill into the canapes. I'm going to put in the filling into the canopy, cover it or garnish it with some save and a touch of coriander, and arrange it on my serving dish. Our sprouted Moong canapes are now ready. I hope you like them. If you do, please subscribe to India Food Network, and please share with us any feedback or comments that you may have, and do share these videos with your family and friends.
We've got loads more for you, so subscribe to this channel and ping us at food@pingnetwork.in to tell us what you would like to see here.